Hey boys, so today we are upgrading from Windows 3.1 to whatever I can upgrade to. I'm hoping Windows 7, but we might get further. This is going to be a pretty interesting video. Now we can't just directly upgrade from Windows 3.1 to 7. We have to do it in small steps. So here's Windows 3.1. Very good operating system. Got the program manager. And of course, this was in like the DOS era of Windows, which includes Windows 3, 1.0, 2.0, 3.02. So, yeah. Now, I do have a Windows 95 upgraded copy disk, and that's what we're going to be upgrading to. Windows 3.1 to 95. And also, I'm thinking about doing another video where we upgrade through every professional version of Windows. Like, starting with Windows NT 3.1. So, it's going to be a pretty interesting video. But for now, choose a disk file. And, that looks so hot. So, but you know what I have a CD-ROM drive. Yeah, there it is. I have obtained an upgrade copy of Windows 95. And I'm just gonna insert it. And we're just gonna go to File Manager. And we're gonna here it is. And we are going to click on setup.exe. Welcome to Windows 95 setup. Continue. And we are going to click yes. Note, Windows 95 releases any version of MS-DOS and Windows that are already on your computer. We do want to do that, so we're just all in C Windows. No, we're not going to uninstall Windows 95. Next. Okay, we're going to do typical, of course. And we're going to keep the name and company in. And I got a CD key, so I'm just going to enter it in now. Perfect. Now, I don't have a network adapter, so I'm just going to click next. Now we're just going to analyze the computer. Or rather, should I say the VM? It's going to analyze the VM. Six. And I'm just gonna. Alright. Get connected. We are not gonna do any of those. Windows components. We're gonna install the most common components. No, I do not want to start a disk. And now we're just going to copy the Windows 95 files. And now it's just going to do this. Alright, now it's finishing setup. Finish. Setup detected a disk in your floppy disk drive. Please remove all this from floppy disk drive. Okay. It's no floppy disk, but there is a CD. See if that helps you any. Starting Windows 95. Getting ready to run Windows 95 for the first time. But maybe we need that thing. Windows protection error. Alright. Sure. It's probably because... Okay, look. Original. Okay. It comes up with this Windows protection error, like you saw before, but this isn't the end of the world. Calm down. We got a solution. So we're gonna insert something that I got in here, a handy tool. Fix 95 CPU. Okay? Now we're gonna restart. Okay? We are not going to... Oh. Accidentally pressed it. Okay, I don't care, I don't care. Don't care, don't care, don't care, don't care, don't care. Fix 95 CPU has been... Press any key to restart your computer. It's kind of a confusing order, but... Okay, Control O. So, sorry, Control O-R. We're going to do normal. Does it work without a CD? Huh. Well, okay. Computer name, Win 95 work group. Just gonna take work group. It's 95 CD-ROM, and then press OK. Okay, can do. Yes, I want to keep it. It's just... no, I'm not in the Tawana region. You know, Tawana looks a lot like marijuana. Like, the word looks a lot like marijuana. I don't know. I just found that weird. Anyways, apply that. Yep, I'm in that time zone. Of course, it's 50, it's almost like 6 p.m. in our area right now. Setup is finished configuring your system. We're gonna restart the computer. Gonna restart it. And hey, no errors. No, oh, this file is missing, that file is missing. No, it's like this. I didn't type any password. Oh yeah, and it still has that. That's great. I mean, I'm pretty sure that's from the... Okay. Alright, we're gonna adjust something. I'm gonna go to Control Panel. We're gonna go to the sounds. Now it still has the Windows 3.1 startup and shutdown sounds, so we're gonna fix those. C Windows. Okay, C Windows. Ta-da! That's the Windows 3.1 shut. That's the Windows 3.1. Then 95 shutdown sound, by the way. You're good. Just gonna do none. We're just gonna. Is the Microsoft down here? The Microsoft sound. Nothing. Browse. Media. Microsoft sound. Very good. Alright, we are officially in Windows 95. That's nice. Oh yeah, and I'm also installing, downloading a Windows 98 upgrade CD. So we're just, while we're waiting, we should just shut down. And go here. We're gonna settings, and we're gonna name it upgrade PC with a dash. And now we're gonna set it to Windows 95. Okay. Perfect. Now I'm just gonna ungroup it. Okay, now I'm actually installing an upgrade CD for Windows 98. So, and that's what we're gonna upgrade to. You may be thinking, oh, but this guy's forgetting Windows NT 4.0. Yes, and we're gonna do that. We're gonna upgrade in the NT upgrade video. But for now, yeah, we're going to Windows 98. See ya. Until the Windows 98 thing is done downloading. Alright, so it is done, guys. Yeah, so if you would notice, if you're one of my eagle-eyed viewers, probably notice the time here. So, yeah, it's been quite a while since the last clip. So, yeah, that's because the 98 upgrade is downloading. So, yeah, now we're just gonna insert it. Here it is. And yes, we're gonna upgrade. What the frick is the NT 4.0 start sound playing? It's a nice sound, but I don't know why it's playing here. Anyways, continue. Setup is preparing the Windows 98 setup wizard, which will guide you through the rest of the set process. You hear part of it, part of the NT 4.0 startup sound. License agreement. I accept the agreement. Wait, hold on, what? What? Why does it have those sounds? That's pretty weird. Anyways, product key. Okay. No, I'm not going to uninstall Windows 98. Next. United States. Startup disk. Okay. We're gonna click cancel. Okay. Now it's just gonna start copying files. Okay. BRB. Okay. There's no floppy disk drive, so now we're just gonna click OK. Restart. Why does it think I'm running out of floppies? Okay, well, here we are, Windows 98. That's just the thing I use with the Windows one. Okay. Windows 98 is now initially a drive base. Windows 98 is your hardware and any plug and play devices you may have. I remember plug and play. Those were the fad of me early to mid 2000s, I guess. Windows is now detecting non-plug-and-play hardware and getting repaired. Well, okay, now I'm just gonna let it do this. Alright. You guys missed it. I accidentally forgot to click unpause, but it asked me to restart, and I did. Okay, soundblaster 16. Internal error. Just thing 101 again. Okay, I think that's because the disc is in there, so we're just gonna force on the mount. Oh wait, put it back in. Yeah, that error you saw there, that's probably why. That's probably why. Oh wait, hold on. Power it off. Okay, so what always works? So Windows 98 never worked unless I do this. So I go to System, Processor, no wait, I go to Acceleration and disable nested paging. That's probably why it's getting the errors. It's because I forgot to disable nested paging. I hate these pop-ups. Anyways, please wait while setup work updates your configuration files. We are just gonna click OK. Okie dokie. This is now setting up the following items: control panel, programs on start menu, Windows help, system configuration, updating system settings. Well, you do you. Okay, now it's just gonna restart. Okay, now don't be surprised if it moves up back to the setup. Okay? Yep. Now it's just gonna update the system settings again. And lovely startup sound. And where's the desktop? Well, that's certainly odd. There's no desktop anywhere. Oh, looks like it's loading up something. Load up the desktop. Whoa. This is like, there's no taskbar, no start menu, no nothing. There's just, oh, there it is. The things probably are going to come up after this. Default channel setup, and there it is. Okay. Come on, man. Wait for this. No. And here we are. Windows 98. So, yeah, pretty good. Now, we are ready to upgrade to Windows Me. And again, before you say, oh, well, you forgot Windows 2000, again, I'm going to do that in the Windows NT episode, you know, where I upgrade to whatever version of Windows NT. Yeah, I'm going to do it in that. Why do I say episode? This is a thing. Okay. I'm going to do it in that video. So, yeah. Okay, so it's time. Now I'm pretty nervous about this because, well, last time I tried to do this, I installed Windows Me. I upgraded from Windows 98 to Windows Me, and it totally just did the most horrible thing to the computer. Like, everything wasn't working. The start menu wasn't opening. Like, everything was listed as this percent, this dir name percent. And each time I tried to restart, the same thing would happen. I mean, it is Windows Me. What would you expect? So yeah, it's time to upgrade from Windows 98 to Windows Me. Hopefully this time it works. Doesn't do any weird stuff like it did last time. Currently using. Yes, I would love to upgrade. Again, there's the Windows NT Orbiter server. Why is it everywhere? And I actually did a test, but and the funny thing is, I did a test before it, and it actually worked that time. So that was kind of weird. But anyways, welcome to Windows Me setup. I do accept the agreement. And now we need a product key, which I'm gonna type in. Okay, so the funny thing is, the owner of this disc, like I got it from archive.org. The owner of this disc posted a picture, and the product key was on the picture. I don't know if that was intentional or not. Cancel. And I was just gonna copy the files. Don't screw up. I swear to God, I swear to God, you son of a bitch. Alright. Made it past the thing. task. Ugh, sounds bad. Nah. It's probably just that audio driver. Control panel. Programs on the start menu. Windows help. And now it's just doing this. Just gonna turn this off. There we go. Now it's just doing this. Yay, don't you just love waiting? Alright, now it's just gonna restart. Hopefully this doesn't screw it up. Okay, don't be surprised if it boots up to the setup. Okay? Okay, close. Close. Oh, shit. Okay. Oh, and also, I forgot to point out another bug. The documents folder didn't have like a thing, whatever the text at the bottom, what the icon's called. Seriously, I don't know what's it called though. But yeah, now it's just loading up. It's crappy, reduced already. Ooh, ooh. No startup sound, but that's okay. And hey, look, Windows Me is working. Nice. Okay, so here we are. Now we are going to upgrade to the home edition of Windows XP. Oh yeah, by the way, I have chicken fries. Chicken fries. Let's taste test. This is not a mukbang channel, but we're gonna try it anyways. Not too bad. Sorry for that. I was just eating it, but but yeah, this is pretty good. Feels spicy. Gonna have to deal with this, but anyways, yeah, we can upgrade. So let's upgrade to the home edition of Windows XP. So we're gonna choose a disk file. This is where it's at. Fourth unmount. I hate you. There it is. Install Windows XP. Let's do this. Starting Windows setup. Glorious 16-bit colors. Welcome to Windows setup. New installation. Now you can't upgrade, but we're gonna do a new installation. So technically this isn't upgrading, but I would consider it upgrading because we're installing a new version of Windows. That's replacing the old version of Windows, which is basically what upgrading is. So product key. Wait one sec. Okay. Set of options. Okay. But 64 megabytes is required. Okay, now you need 1.5 gigs to install Windows XP. Like, at least I think. So we're gonna shut down. Oh yeah, and I forgot to change it to Windows 98. So we're just gonna change it to Windows Me. Okay, now we're just gonna pump it up to 1.5 gigs. So $15.36, which is halfway between 1 gig and 2 gigs. So that's 1.5 gigs. And now we're gonna boot up. It says the most it can support is like 512 megabytes, but like anything beyond that is a little unstable. I tried it with 2 gigs and it didn't work out too well, so yeah, we're doing 1.5. It's a terrible startup sound, but I don't care. Okay, install Windows XP. Oh boy, here we go again. Welcome to Windows XP. Of course, we're going to choose new installation. I accept this agreement. Party. Okay. Next. Oh. Okay. But I thought Okay, well that was weird. So you're saying C doesn't have enough memory? C. Yeah, see, 1.5 gigabytes of RAM. That should be plenty. Yeah, we're having a little bit of trouble here, so. Yeah, and look. Like, okay, we're gonna try and go to settings. Okay. Okay. Let's see. I mean, this is probably why, but like, look, that should be plenty of RAM. But if we try to set it any higher, ooh. Okay. Let's see if this way will work. Booting from the CD. Setup is starting Windows. Welcome to setup. I agree. And we are going to install here 23 megabytes. Okay. 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 Deleting a system part the hard disk will delete complete installation of Windows XP. Yeah. L. It needs at least it needs more space. Okay, how do I get it more space? Because that's what I'm wondering. See, this is the hard disk. Actual size 635. Yeah, see, we need more. 1 second, I'm gonna try to get this working. If it doesn't work, then we're just gonna have to end it here. Alright, I got it. So we can continue. Sorry, this was like, yeah. There was like a big gap, like, it's like a big bump, you know. It was smooth sailing, and then this, it's kind of like a bump, but we made it through, Sad that we couldn't do setup directly from the operating system, but, yeah, what we get. Might make another video in the future, so we always have more chances. And now that I know better, Now it's just gonna copy the files. Okay, you missed some parts, but it is actually upgraded to 256 color. So, yeah. This is pretty interesting. Okay. And now it forgot the name of the organization, but that is okay as we can retype it. And we don't need an organization since this is a home version, and we need a product key. And I forgot to do the other stuff. Man, why do I keep forgetting everything today? Now it's just gonna copy the files. And by the way, sorry that you guys are missing so much. It's just I keep forgetting, and I need a little cooling down, so don't mind the fan. Installing start menu items. Registering components. Okay, now it's just... Okay, now it's just... Oh, wrong window. This window, yeah, there we go. Now it's just booting up Windows XP. Yep, I like that. Okay, now I can do this. Little more. Yeah, that looked good. Ooh. Okay, sadly we don't have any audio components anymore. So you can't hear the setup music. But just not right now. No. XP's out of support. Checking your internet connectivity. No, this computer will connect directly to the internet. No. Remind me every few days. Who will use this computer? Next. Thank you. This is what you just accomplished. Finish. Bum, 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 bum. Here we are. Okay. Here's our Windows XP in all of its glory. So much nostalgic stuff about this. Okay. Now it's time to upgrade to Windows Vista. So take a final look at it. Okay. Now I know how to do this. Real quick, I accidentally deleted my thing, so just gonna have to retrieve it. Restore. There we go, that's it. Now we're just gonna go optical drives, choose create, no. Choose a disk file. And we're gonna go to the downloads and we're gonna select this one. Yay! Okay. Here we are. It's our lovely setup here. Now we're gonna go to my computer, and as you can see, it can't run this version of the operating systems. Apparently, it can't run the version of the operating system. Now, there's a very high chance we might just end it here, but we are going to try this. Restart. We're gonna press F12 and we're gonna boot from the CD-ROM. Okay. It's pretty big, so we're just gonna scale it. Failed start. Insert your Windows installation disk. It's in. Click repair your computer. Emergency medical services. However, this CPU is not compatible with 64-bit mode. Okay, we can try this. The only one, for some reason, Microsoft didn't release a home edition's x64 edition. Why? No idea. But oh shit. Get. Okay. Uncheck. Escape exit. Now it's gonna boot into Windows XP. Man, I miss that audio driver. But what we can try and do is insert a professional disc. Why didn't they release a home edition x64 disc? No idea, but they didn't. So this version of Windows cannot be installed on this machine. Yeah, see, if you try to switch, you can't switch from home to business like that. So yeah, so Vista is 64-bit, and the version we're looking to run is like Windows Vista. The ISO I got was 64-bit, and we're trying to, and this machine can only support 32 bits. It's kind of sad, but. So we either have to A, get a Windows Vista 32-bit installation disk, or B, just give up and end it here. Now if we choose option A, like, it's getting pretty late and I don't want any more of this time to be wasted, so I'm sorry guys, but we're gonna have to end it here. Oh well, it's been fun. Unless we can change a 32-bit operating system to a 64-bit operating system. So there's still hope. So yeah, I guess we gotta. But very slim chance we're gonna get this. So 1 second. Okay, so a Quora post said if we want to try and do it, we can just remove this version and install a 64-bit version over it. So this might pick up. So we're gonna try this. It's in. Restart. Okay, and we're gonna. This CPU is not compatible with 64-bit mode. Please install 32-bit x86 operating system. Yeah, exactly. It can't. This is a 32-bit operating system. And apparently, like, the CPU I'm running this on can't support the 64-bit version of Windows XP, nor can it do Windows Vista or anything like that. So, yeah. Maybe we can do it in VirtualBox. Okay. I'm looking at Google results. How to change 32-bit processor to 64-bit processor. VirtualBox. Okay. No, not Windows 10. I'm not running Windows 10. Okay. Here's something. In VirtualBox, okay. No 64-bit option. So apparently we need to enable hardware virtualization, but I think I'm already good. So we're gonna go to performance, CPU. Yeah, see, virtualization is enabled. You can see there. What? I'm not installing Linux. Doesn't matter anyways. Oh, okay. That's, useless. But how do I, like, upgrade? Hello? Hello? Close the damn program. Ugh. Okay. I have no more ideas, so I'm very, very sorry, guys, but we're gonna have to end it here. It's been fun, but for some reason, okay, stop, shut up. Okay, so, yeah, we're gonna have to end it here. I wanted to go further, but it's only a 32-bit version of Windows Vista. Windows Vista is a big operating system, and it takes a long time to get a Windows Vista operating system, so I'm very sad to say this, but we're gonna have to end this here. It's been very fun, but hey, who knows? In the future, maybe I'm gonna try and upgrade from Windows XP to like Windows 11 or something. Oh yeah, and that NT video. Stay tuned to that. Anyways, I best get going now. Goodbye. Ba 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 ba. Oh, what happened? What the heck happened? Huh. Jesus. I think my computer needs a restart, but sorry for that awkward moment. I don't know what happened there. The taskbar disappeared, and yeah, as you see here, this video's gone on for way too long, so we're just gonna have to end it here. Bye.